Hi guys, welcome once again, and we're in the fourth week basic 3, and for today we would be talking about creating a new folder in a computer. We would learn on how to create a new folder in a computer. Creating a new folder in a computer. So let's take a look at the objectives. We will learn the definition of a folder, learn on how to create a folder, learn on how to create a new file inside your existing folder, learn on how to save a document using Save As. This would be so interesting. I can't wait to learn. So let's move on. So first of all, we're going to talk about the definition of a folder. So a folder is like a box on your computer. A folder is like a box on your computer. You can put files inside the box to keep them organized and easy to find. A folder is like a box on your computer. You can put files inside the box to keep them organized and easy to find. Good. So now we would look at steps on how to create a folder in Windows. Steps on how to create a folder in Windows. So here, number 1 says, go to the location where you want to save the folder. Number 1 says, go to the location where you want to create the folder. Go to the location where you want to create the folder. So first of all, we need to go to the location where we want to create the folders in Windows. So I want to create here. So for example, if you want to make a new folder on your desktop, go to your desktop and right-click any blank spot. Go to your desktop and right-click any blank spot. We are right-clicking and not left-clicking. So right-click here. I've picked the blank spot here. So I'm going to right-click on this. So after you've right-clicked, let's look at number 2. Number 2 says, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N at the same time. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N at the same time. Pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N together will create a new folder at the current location. The new folder has the generic name New Folder, but you can change the name in a moment. So press Ctrl plus Shift plus N at the same time. So let's do that. You hold on Ctrl, Shift, and N. Let's try again. You hold on Ctrl, Shift, plus N. Do you see the magic? A new folder just appeared here. So I just created a new folder. Do not forget, you have to hold on Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. Do not remove your hand. Good. So pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N together will create a new folder at the current location. The new folder has the generic name New Folder, like mine here. Can you see? But you can change the name in a moment. So number 3 says, type a name for the folder and press Enter. The new folder's name cannot contain any special punctuation or other characters. So type a name for the folder and press Enter. So I'm just going to give it a name here. You move your cursor to this white space here, and then you're just going to type My Files and press Enter. You press Enter key on your computer keyboard. You just click on it once. And I've just created my folder. So easy and fun. So we're done with this. So now we're going to look at creating a new file inside the existing folder. Creating a new file inside the existing folder. So how to create a new file in Windows using File Explorer. How to create a new file in Windows, a new folder in Windows using File Explorer. So this time around, we're working with File Explorer. So number one says, open the File Explorer. The File Explorer allows you to manage all of the files and folders on your computer and devices connected to it. So open the File Explorer. So here I have my File Explorer down here. Move your cursor down here. And this is your File Explorer. Can you see where I'm pointing at with my cursor? This is my File Explorer. So you're just going to click on it to open. Good. So I've just opened my File Explorer. So step 2 says, navigate to where you want to create your folder. Navigate to where you want to create your folder. If you're going to be accessing the files often, you can create the folder on your desktop for quick access. Otherwise, you can save it to your document folder or another location. Did you see? So good. So now we're going to navigate to where you want to create your folder. So I want to create my folder inside desktop. So I'll create my folder in desktop. Good. So 3 says you will see the existing folder we created titled coding. So I created the one I gave it the name my files, but you could also give it the name coding. So after you've seen that, you're going to right click and select new folder. You're going to right click and select new folder. So we're going to right click here on the folder we just created. Right click and select new folder. Right click and select new folder. So after you've right clicked, this would pop up. So you're just gonna select first of all, after you've located the folder you created, which is called My Files, you're just gonna double click on it to open the folder. And after you've double click on it, you're just gonna right click and select new folder. So we are going to select, after you've right clicked on this way, right click, you're going to select new. You're going to click on new folder. Good. So new folder has just been created in the location. So after you've done that, number 4 says name the folder. Name the folder. Name the folder. So let's just say I'm going to give it a name. First of all, you have to move your cursor to this white blank space here. And I'm going to give it a name, coding. Coding. Yeah. Coding. So after you're done with this, you're just going to click on Enter key on your computer keyboard. You're done. You just created a new folder. You just created a folder inside an existing folder. Brilliant. So let's look at the next step. The next says using Save As in Word document. Using Save As in Word document. So using Save As. So this time around, I think we would be working with Word document. So you just have to open your Word document. Let's just say you already have something that you type down and you don't want to lose this file. So to save, number 1 says open a project in Microsoft Word. When you save a document in Word, you can create a new folder at the same time. So I just already opened the project in Microsoft Word. So number 2 says click File. So we're going to click File, Save As, and click on Browse. This is at the top left corner. It is at the top left corner. So let's first of all click on File. This is File. Click File. Now you're going to look for Save As. This is Save As. You know we have Save and Save As, but I'm working with Save As. After you've clicked on Save As, you're going to click on Browse to select the location you want to save this file into. So number 3 says, click on the desktop and select the existing folder you created, titled Computer Appreciation, basically. But I think I named mine My Files. And inside My Files, I have also created a folder called Coding. So I'm just going to look for that folder that I created in. So I saved it in Desktop. So you're just going to click on Desktop. After you've clicked on Desktop, you need to look for the file you created. I've seen it here. It's titled My File. So I'm just going to click on it to open. After you've clicked on it to open, you click on the file you created inside the existing file, which is called Coding. So I'm just going to click on it. So after you've done that, number 4 says, click and give your project a name. Click and give your project a name. This will open a new window. Name the folder and click OK. The new folder will be created. You can now save the document into the new folder. So click and give your project a name. So this is my project. I'm just going to click here and give it a name. So let's just say I want to give it a name Project 1. Project 1. So after you're done with this, now you're going to click on Save. Save. You're just going to click on Save. And your document has been saved. It has been saved. So this is so easy. It is all. I think this is all for today. I hope we all enjoyed ourselves. I hope we all had fun. So if you have questions concerning this tutorial, you could comment, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.